living heavenly. Now I'm living lavishly. Ain't nobody stopping me. I ain't scared, we ain't average. Now we living lavish, I need to be on brag shit. I gotta secure the bag and I'm breaking it down. I'm holding my ground and I'm wearing it down. I'm slowing it down, I'm standing up tall. Holding the crown, I ain't breaking it down. I ain't gonna let it fade away, I'm counting paper all day. Take care of my bros, I got my sights on the goal. Gotta stay strapped and alert. We never gon' flop and we never gon' stop. We making it to the top. We ain't gon' let nothing slide, better watch your pride. I got nothing to hide with a crew by my side. I ain't never retreat, focus on release. Grinding my peace. Don't leave these haters behind, it's a daily grind. Fall up on track, ain't no turning back. I won't drown, slow me down. I ain't got no time for pop, now I gotta reach the top. Money stacking, this ain't acting. It's a young prodigy, they can't faze me. Can't stop now, you know that I made it greatly. I'm just here to elevate out of this state. Goals in my mind, I climb. Gotta rise with the pain in my eyes. Got too much fun, it's been a wild ride. I gotta thrive every day just to survive. Look at me now, I ain't stopping now. No time to slow down. Always on a down the ride. Been fire shining too bright. Always on my feet. Never gonna sleep. Pain's what I keep. Money's what I speak. Moving silently like a ninja while they say this just creep. Ain't got time for no sleep. We had this struggle and pain. Gotta watch them laws, it's all that I chase. He's staying down for the rockin', but he's seeing me small. I ain't never gonna fall. Try to bring me down, I fight for what's mine. I gotta let the struggle fade and I ain't afraid. I can't be stopped, I'm on top. Y'all stuck in last place.